We're at Ingleton Waterfall Trail in Yorkshire. So Andrea's lived around here for ages, but you've never been, have you?
No, never.
No. So we've just started the trail, and it's apparently 2.5 to 4 hours. So we're going to be doing it in 2. No, we're not. We're all ready for lunch, aren't we?
Yeah, you were ready for lunch before we got out of the car.
Yeah, we came through the entrance and I said, can we stop yet? No, we're going to try and do half an hour at least, aren't we?
Yeah.
The trail takes you through ancient limestone gorges and beautiful woodland. Andrea, hello. You should allow between 2.5 and 4 hours to complete, depending on your fitness levels and mobility. This is our first waterfall. Quite a small one.
Bit loud.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear us with it. We wanted to show how loud the water was. The trail has around 1,000 steps and tree roots, making it unsuitable for wheelchairs. Get busy, so be early to enjoy the space and quiet. This is well worth a visit and makes a great day out.